Today in this video, I will show you how to create neon text effect in Premiere Pro. So in the beginning, we write any text. Now copy the text layer 3 times. Hold the Alt key on the keyboard and drag the layer. So you can see that 3 copies have been made. Select the first text layer from the timeline. Click on Window from the menu bar. Click on Essential Graphics. Now select the text from the edit. Click Fill Color from Appearance. Choose a light magenta color. You can use this color. Type FF00D2. Click on the OK button. Now click on Stroke Color. Choose light magenta color as before. Again type FF00D2. Click on the OK button. Increase the stroke size to 5. Click on the shadow checkbox. Again, choose the light magenta color as before. Type FF00D2. Click on the OK button. Reduce the opacity to 50%. Reduce the distance to 0. Increase the size to 100. Increase the blur to 250. Click on the window from the menu bar. Click on Effect. Type Gaussian blur in the search box. Drag and drop the Gaussian blur effect on the first layer. Go to Effect Control. Increase the blurriness to 300. Now select the second text layer. Go to Essential Graphics. Now select the neon text from the edit. Click Fill Color from Appearance. Choose a light magenta color. Again, you can use this color code. Type FF00D2. Click on the OK button. Now click on Stroke Color. Choose light magenta color as before. Type FF00D2. Click on the OK button. Increase the stroke size to 5. Click on the shadow checkbox. Again, choose a light magenta color as before. Type FF00D2. Click on the OK button. Opacity will be 75%. Reduce the distance to 0. Increase the size to 5.1. Increase the blur to 150. Now put all the layers on the top of each other. Now look, the neon effect has arrived on your text. Thanks for watching the video.